everyone. Hello. Keep your cameras on. So today we are going to talk about conversation workout. Conversation workout. The first thing for conversation workout is you have to keep your cameras on. कैमराज ऑन रखिए आप लोग, तभी तो कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे। लेकिन लगता है कि दीवार से बात कर रहे हैं, वॉल से बात कर रहे हैं। साक्षी कैमरा ऑन रखो अपना बेटा। अभिराज, सॉरी अभिनय, आलोक कुमार, हर्ष, कैमरा शुड बी ऑन।
Ma'am.
Keep your cameras on. Conversation without camera doesn't look
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good
morning, ma'am.
मॉर्निंग मैम।
So why you guys were late today?
प्रेजेंटेशन चल रहा था।
Advanced class.
Presentation. Okay. I received a message that I would like to give a presentation in a group. Who are the students?
Which topic, ma'am?
These students, they always WhatsApp me. I want to give a presentation. I could not give it in the last class. So there were there was a girl who asked me, can I make the presentation in the next class with my friend? And when it comes to time, when it comes to making the presentation, then they are very quiet in the classroom. So as per the schedule today, we are doing conversation workout, or the module is talk time, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Why you look very confused? What is the schedule today? Tell me if I'm wrong.
No, ma'am, you are right. It's talk time module. Talk time.
Talk time, we were discussing feelings and emotions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes or no.
No, ma'am, we were not discussing about feelings and emotions.
Then what was the topic for talk time?
We are discussing about the idioms.
Idioms we were doing.
We are discussing about the idioms now. Pink slip. This type.
No, idiom is a different matter. Idiom, conversation workout, idioms, vocabulary, that is a different section altogether. So I said I will give you some idioms every day. But then today, let us talk about this conversation workout. Idioms will be there fine. And it is one thing which is very important. Idioms are important. So okay, if you want the idioms, let us give you the idioms so that you can work on it and you can speak on it. All right, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, brother, you want to say something? Yes, hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Was there anything you wanted to say?
I think his network issue, ma'am.
All right. Some people are still coming in installments, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. All right. First, we'll take a look at some idioms and expressions. Can we recap what were the idioms that we discussed?
Yes, ma'am. Pink
Far
slip,
cry,
far cry. Yes, ma'am. Far cry, pink slip.
far cry. What else?
Sweet tooth.
All right. Let's recap. What do you mean by far cry? Can you give a presentation on far cry? People are still with their cameras switched off. I need you to switch on your cameras. Otherwise, I'll be forced to mark you absent today. Yes.
Due to heavy rain, ma'am. Network issue.
All right. Even I understand. I understand this problem. Like this is an
Ma'am, excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
hello.
Yes, ma'am, actually Sachin waiting my roll number 80.
आ गया
Okay,
So
sorry.
coming at 9. Like you should be on time. Yesterday, the last class we talked about time management. So you have to manage. Time doesn't wait for anybody. Those who are late, they'll be missing the bus today.
मैम प्रत्यय वेटिंग में मैम ऐड कर लीजिए
आ गया
Pratay is not in the waiting. All right. What do you mean by far cry? Give me the meaning only.
And something which takes time to have.
Something which is going to take time.
Yes,
It will happen, but can you give me a sentence, Anisha?
yes, ma'am.
I'm
Today,
79 waiting,
today
ma'am.
our wish to see the world as before, but is a far cry.
No, you made the same sentence in last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to be different, no? Why be the same version of your what you were yesterday? Improve, change, be a better version.
Okay.
A far cry.
I want to be a topper in the university, but is a far cry.
No, even this expression was used in the last class.
And I haven't used.
Okay.
I made
far-
a mistake.
all right, fine. Gaurav, make a. No, I will not call out your names. Raise your hand and start speaking. Conversation means speaking, talking. Yes. Yes, Gaurav, far cry. Make a sentence.
And they are by far cry the best student in the class.
No, you did not understand. Far cry means something is going to happen, but not now. It will take some time.
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Yes, ma'am.
fluency in English. Fluency in English, voice and accent, the correct pronunciation will take time. Right? So, correctness, fluency, and pronunciation is a far cry. It will happen, but it can happen in a month or two. But at the moment, like in the next class, if I give you if I given a lesson on voice and accent, that will take some time. No, it will take some practice. You cannot be an ace cricketer overnight. You cannot be an ace singer overnight. It will take time. It will take practice. It will take some time.
Yes, ma'am. He is a great player, but he is far cry from it.
What do you mean far cry from it? He is a great player already. He has reached that goal. Far cry means listen to my sentence again. When I make sentences, write them down. Think about it.
Yes, ma'am. He wants to be a great player, but he is far cry from it.
Why he is? He wants to be a great cricketer, but
Yes, ma'am.
it's a far cry.
It's a far cry.
He wants to be a successful person, and he's trying hard also. I'm using and. You can use linkers, connectors. Why do I teach you linkers and connectors? Because it will help you to make sentences. It will help you in your conversations, right? So he wants to be a successful person, and he's trying very hard. But yes, as we say that, education has no shortcut. It will take some time. Success indeed will happen, is at the end of the corner. We can see it. If we are focused, we can achieve it. It's possible. It's not impossible. It is definitely going to happen. So at the moment, at this point of time, we can say that yes, success is a far cry. But we should not stop trying. Did you understand how I presented this far cry?
Yes, ma'am.
Come up with a story, come up with a theme. This is conversation. Like supposing you are giving the meaning of far cry to somebody who doesn't know the meaning. You should make it very clear. Clarity should be there. Do not expect people to look up the dictionary. Okay, what is far cry? No. The meaning should be clear in your presentation. Did you understand? Success is possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Success is not impossible. We can achieve everything with hard work. Hard work is in our hands. We are trying, we will try, and we will continuously try. Yes, indeed, it's a far cry. But why should we stop trying? We can achieve our goals only if we work at it, if we are focused, if we set smart goals, then yes, anything is possible. Though things might be quite shady, things might be quite upsetting, things might be demotivating. You can see your morale down. Happenings can pull you down. But yes, every cloud has a silver lining. There's a rainbow behind every cloud. Wait for the sun to rise. Wait. So I want you to speak like this. Come up with one word and make a presentation. Let it be a story. Let it be a simple, small story. So indeed, it is possible. Nothing is impossible. It may seem dark. It may seem dull. It may seem, okay, this is the end of the rope. I cannot move ahead. This is it. I have tried my level best. I have pulled the ropes. I have burned the midnight oil. I have burned the candle on both sides. I have done whatever I could. So now that's it. I give up. It's not happening. You may feel like this. We all feel at some point of time, we are all into this kind of depression. Nothing is happening. Nothing is working. Things might be frustrating. But yes, why can't we be positive? Why can't we be optimistic? Why do we see that the glass is only half filled? Why can't we see? Why do we see that it's half empty? Why can't we see, yes, it is half filled? Something is there. Something is there. Hope is there. Dreams are there.
Yes.
Visions are there. Nobody can take that away from you. So yes, peace of mind can be restored. It'll take time. And time is the best healing factor. With time, everything is healed. Yes. You can say it's a far cry. but definitely not impossible. Yes, Pratay, you would like to say something? Let's
Yes, ma'am.
talk. Let's talk. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. There are two sentences. My first sentence is Pratay is a good speaker, but his recent performance are a far cry from what he want to do in his future. And the second sentence is that I want to capture a great market share in machinery, but it is a far cry.
Exactly. The more you listen to these words, these phrases, it will be in your system. Like it will be there. Oh yes, far cry. Oh, this is such a simple word, and it's a very common. And then you say these are very common idioms. We have been talking like this. We know this. Yes, anybody else on this far cry? This with this Pratay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, anybody else? Please make a presentation. I gave you two examples of how I want you to speak. Yeah. Yes, people who have not spoken, please. This is the time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The apartment they live in now is far cry from the huge mansion they lived once.
Come again.
Ma'am, the apartment they live now is far cry from the huge mansion they lived once.
Far cry means something definitely is going to happen. Are you talking about this apartment was small and that apartment was large?
Yes, ma'am.
No, this will not fit in.
Okay.
May I, ma'am?
Buying an apartment. He is living in a small apartment, but his dream is to buy a bungalow, and he's working hard for it. It's a far cry, but you should never stop trying. Do you understand, Mahi, how to use this?
Yes, ma'am.
Buying something which is very exorbitant, very expensive at this point of time is a far cry. I cannot go out and you cannot go out and buy the bike of your choice. You can't. But you are going to buy it. You're going to buy it, but it's a far cry. At some point of time in future, yeah, it'll happen. You understand, Mahi? Now you make another statement.
Ma'am, I thought the wedding was lavish, but it is far cry from it.
No, you are.
I thought
making
that the wedding was lavish, but it is far cry from it because it is
No,
very
no.
simple.
Okay,
So that it's far cry from
I'm
it.
giving you the same explanation.
Okay.
Right. I want to have a lavish wedding ceremony.
Yes.
I would like to invite. Look at the story. Listen to the story. So, your story. I'm telling you. So, the wedding ceremony which I had planned was elaborate, huge celebrations. So, this was my plan. But then, looking at present times, even thinking about such a wedding is a far cry. सोचना भी लग रहा है कि अभी possible ही नहीं है. Something which is not possible. So I will settle for a simple wedding. Did you understand? She wanted
Yes.
a large, elaborate wedding, but which is a far cry right now. It is not going to happen. So she will settle for a simple wedding. Write down the explanation, the examples, that then you will know, right? Or the recording is there. You can listen to it again. If you do not understand a particular point, listen to the examples, the small stories again and again until you understand it. Listening once, twice, thrice, listen. right? Get into it. Get into the habit, this world of idioms and phrases is quite different from everything else. And this is going to take you to the heights which you want to. Like if you want to speak good English, if you got to understand the phrases used in the newspaper. Otherwise, let me tell you, these are very commonly spoken idioms, right? Again, a very simple explanation. He is working hard to become a great cricketer, an ace cricketer. He would like to play India one day. He is trying hard. He is practicing. He is working hard to achieve his dreams. This boy is working really hard. But now, though it is possible, in a couple of years to come, it can happen. At this point of time, it's abhi possible nahi hai. Right now, it's a far cry. अभी सोचना भी बेकार है. I want to buy a house. I want to buy an apartment. I want to go live in Delhi or Mumbai and work there in some multinational companies. At this point of time, it's a far cry. कौन जाना चाहेगा अभी महाराष्ट्र? Nobody would like to go there, right? Did you understand, Mahi?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the next word?
Ma'am, I have also made a sentence. Please
Yeah,
listen.
okay, good.
Everybody wants to get rid of this coronavirus, but is a far cry.
Okay. We all want to get rid of it. We all want to do away with it. It's a far cry.
Yes, ma'am.
But it will happen. Anisha,
Yes, ma'am, it will happen, but it will take time.
every cloud has a silver lining,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
right? So now
Yes,
I hope now, Mahi, you have understood. And can we have
Yes, ma'am.
some more presentations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Komalia.
This flat is a far cry from the house they had before.
The flat which we want to buy. Correct that. The flat, the apartment which I want to buy
Yes, ma'am.
is a far cry. जो हम खरीदना चाहते हैं वो अभी नहीं खरीद पाएंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी दिल्ली दूर है, लेकिन पहुंचेंगे जरूर. Definitely I'll buy it. And how I'll buy it? With my hard work. So the small apartment that we are living in, maybe I'm living in a one-room apartment, but I would like to buy a 3-bedroom apartment. This is my dream. And to achieve my dream, I am going to work really hard. Yes, yes. It seems impossible at this point of time. Well, I'll make it possible. Though it's a far cry right now. But yes, I'm going to try. I'm going to work hard. And I'll succeed. And I'll succeed. Right? Komal, I want you to speak more and more. Use simple sentences, compound complex sentences, and, but, when. When I think of, now this is again the clause which I was discussing. When I think of what? When I think of buying a large apartment, I feel it's a far cry. I feel demotivated. I feel upset. It saddens me. But then, nothing is impossible. I am a person with a very positive approach in life. So, yes, it upsets me. I am a human being. Things might upset me. But then, I feel there is a rainbow behind every cloud. Spring is just around the corner. Spring will definitely come. Success will definitely come. Though at this point of time, it's a far cry. Yes, I want to see more with compound sentences and linking words and but, if, when, as. Yes. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you are
Yes,
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Audio, ma'am.
I was snapped off. It means the connection is unstable because of the weather. We are having
Yeah,
power
ma'am.
cuts since morning.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
heard you.
Everywhere today there is a
Good, ma'am.
raining.
The weather,
That's why.
the weather is playing spoil sport.
So, ma'am,
I said, I made a sentence. The weather is playing spoil sport. SPOIL SPORT. Spoil sport. Let me share. I said, is playing spoil. The weather is playing spoil sport. What do you understand by this sentence? How did I link this sentence with the power cut? Power cut, unstable connectivity. And then I made this sentence. The weather is playing spoil sport. Write down the sentences I'm typing. Don't play. Sorry. Don't be spoil. Don't be a spoil sport. Unstable connectivity. Look, Ranjan is entering solution. Unstable. I need you to write all these sentences. Unstable. Sorry. Unstable network connectivity is playing spoil sport. Now, can anyone give me the meaning of this idiom, spoil sport?
Ma'am, someone who spoil the fun.
Yes. Spoil sport, someone or something which spoils the fun. Like, I have heard this phrase so many times in my childhood. Like, whenever there was a party, or whenever my people were going out for some party or some get together, I said, मुझे नहीं जाना, I don't want to go. Because the only reason was I had so much of homework, learning homework, written homework, and I know that if I go without doing my homework, I'm going to have it. I'm going to have it from my teachers. So I was so terrified. इतना डर लगता था. If I go without my homework, so she is going to mother the nuns, the European nuns. They are sometimes very kind, but then most of the time they are very strict. So they'll ask me to stay back. You stay back after class and complete your homework, or no lunch for you. 12 to 1, you sit in the class and you complete your homework. So I was terrified. So yeah, there's a party, there's a function, there's a invitation for dinner. I said, मुझे नहीं जाना, मुझे homework करना है. So my mother used to say, you are a spoiled sport. और सबका मजा, मतलब सब जाते तो अच्छा लगता है ना. The whole family is invited. People will be asking for you, why she didn't come. So I'll say, I don't mind. I'll stay back. The servants are there. No issues. I'll stay back. I'll do my homework. So one day I got a very good firing from my father. And just stop being a spot being a spoil spot all the time. So whenever we are going out, you always come up with this kind of excuse, this lame excuse. नहीं जाना है. मेरा मन नहीं लगता वहाँ पे. हम क्या करेंगे क्या? Relatives, people, I do not know. People, maybe even if I know, I'm not interested in whatever you all talking about. So this had become a habit with me. So whenever there's an invitation, सबसे पहला जो आदमी कहता था नहीं जाएंगे, the first person to say, to put a foot down was Sanjana Sinha. I don't want to go. So I've always played the spoil sport, and my mother, my parents, my father especially, he said, she is always, उसको पूछना ही बेकार है. Stop asking her. The answer will be definitely no. So stop. Why? When will you stop playing spoil sport? सबका मजा खराब हो जाता है. When everybody is going, everybody should go. The fun is in togetherness. The fun is, the harmony is in the group. So if somebody stays back, that's something bad. So yes, whoever said this, to spoil the fun. The weather is playing spoil sport. मतलब weather की वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. मैच कैंसिल हो जाता है. आप हेडलाइंस पढ़ते होंगे.
Yes,
Rain
ma'am.
is spoil sport.
Yes, ma'am.
हेडलाइंस पढ़ते हैं ना आप लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Rain plays spoil sport. और नीचे जो लाइन रहता है वो रहता है, the match was cancelled because of heavy rain. Rain plays spoil sport. ये क्या रहता है? This is the heading. When you enter journalism, when you start writing news, then you'll know all these things. How to write, how to make reports. Report writing is in your syllabus. So you will not introduce the topic right away, but you will introduce a catchy line, like rain plays spoil sport. The next line will be, due to heavy rain, the match was cancelled. Right. So to play spoil sport, to spoil somebody's fun. It can be the weather, it can be your computer, it can be your mobile. A lot of students getting back. We could not join the class because of the we are in some remote areas in the villages, and the connectivity is not there, and it's always dark. No, there's always power cut. Mobiles and laptops always discharged. The power
Battery about to die.
about to die. That is the most scary thing for teachers, when we see battery about to die and there is no power. So I get very jittery. Oh God! Right now I was saying, I don't know how far will this laptop take me. So I have carried at least one class I have completed. I do not know about the rest of the class, and I have back-to-back 6 classes. So this is frustrating. So the weather is playing spoil sport. It means the weather. You want to go to a picnic. You want to go for a picnic, but oh God, it's raining. So weather is playing spoil sport. We can't go.
Yes, ma'am.
Rain plays spoil sport. Don't be a spoil sport. जैसे कि आपने बारे में हमने बताया, कहीं जाना है मुझे नहीं करना. जैसे आप ही ग्रुप में हो तो सबको इनवाइट कर रहे हो, नहीं हमको नहीं करना है. पार्टिसिपेट करना है एक्सप्रेशन में कुछ नहीं, हम मुझे नहीं करना है. डोंट बी अ स्पॉइल स्पॉट यार. ठीक है, मना कर देना. किसी कोई अच्छी चीज जो इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है उसको मना करना स्पॉइल स्पॉट बनना होता है. राइट. Like unstable network connectivity is playing spoil sport today, definitely. Unstable network connectivity is playing spoil sport today.
We are having beautiful weather today.
Beautiful, because the weather will be beautiful for you because क्लास कैसे करेंगे, मोबाइल चार्ज नहीं था, ऑल फन ना, बाहर निकलना ही नहीं, घर पे बैठना है, सोना है. तो यू आर सेइंग द वेदर इज ब्यूटीफुल, फॉर मी इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ सी हाउ टू पीपल थिंक डिफरेंटली. किसी को कुछ नहीं करना है ना सोना है, चलो ठीक है, चार्ज ही नहीं है, बोल देंगे सर लोग को, मैम लोग को चार्ज नहीं था मोबाइल, कैसे क्लास करेंगे? तो क्या करोगे, जाके सो जाओगे जा करके, यू विल स्लीप, यू विल डू व्हाटएवर you want to. I see Mahi with smiles on, smiling away. So we discussed the idioms: a white elephant, a red letter day, a dark horse, a
No
pink.
ma'am, no ma'am, कुछ नहीं हुआ है मैम, कुछ नहीं.
No, ma'am. A sweet
No,
tooth
ma'am.
and a pink slip. Only 3 idioms we had discussed.
A pink slip क्या है बताओ पहले. नहीं हुआ है, बहुत बोले तुम, बहुत जल्दी से बोले नहीं हुआ है, नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं मैम, मतलब ऊपर वाला नहीं हुआ है, व्हाइट एलिफेंट नहीं हुआ है, रेड लेटर डे नहीं हुआ था ये, मतलब और नीचे का एक दो हो जाए,
You don't
पिंक
have
स्लिप
patience.
वगैरह.
You listen to answer. You do not
Yes
listen
ma'am.
to understand. The problem with us is that we listen to answer, but we never listen to understand. When I was reading it out, a white elephant, a red letter day, a dark horse, a pink slip. So this is something which you already know about it. Okay. A white elephant, we'll discuss all these, though it was a conversation time. But then, a white elephant means uses a large palatial house, a car, maybe your grandfather's car, which is in the garage, and nobody uses it. It's there. Me sentiments इसको बेचेंगे नहीं. Let it be there. Useless property. Useless. खराब नहीं है, सही है. But nobody uses it. Palatial houses. All these NRIs, they're not living here, but their houses are here. It has become ghosts. Ghosts are living there. कोई नहीं रहता वहाँ पे. They are not selling it. They don't need the money. So it is useless. Nothing is coming out of which. The houses are not let out. Nobody is living there. They do not need the money. They do not need the rent. So it is a large, useless property which is of no use to anyone. Right? Something which adds some sentiments. You do not want to sell it because of sentiments. No, my father built this house. This is my ancestral house. So, उसको कुछ नहीं करना है, इसको रहने दो. This becomes a white elephant. Did you understand? In the next class, maybe on next Wednesday, no, next Thursday, I will ask you to come up with stories. What is the white elephant and what happened and why it was a white became a white elephant? I do not know. I want you to come up with stories in conversation time next Thursday. A red letter day means something, a day which is very.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you give one example of a white elephant?
Yeah, I told you a lot of houses that are there where nobody lives. Very rich people, filthy rich people. Their houses are
No, ma'am. If you want to make sentence, then
like the house at Patliputra colony is a white elephant. My grandfather's car. Oh, are you talking about that white elephant? That car? Yeah, I'm talking about that. So if I'm talking about a white elephant, it means definitely something which is of no use.
Yes, ma'am. May I, ma'am?
Yes.
I realized that old car was difficult to maintain, and it was like a white elephant.
Yes. The car was difficult to maintain, so it became a white elephant.
Yes मैम, शॉर्ट में भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग.
बिल्कुल. When you understand the term, you will feel good. Yeah, I know this term. And whatever idioms and phrases I'm giving you, these are very commonly spoken idioms. We all speak about it. Like, why don't you? Sometimes we say, why don't you do away with that? Do away again is a idiom which means khatam. Usko sell kar do, khatam kar do usko. Do away with negativities. Do away. Let me write it down. Do away मतलब खत्म करना. So there is a car which is of no use and it has become a white elephant. Why don't we do away with it? इसको dispose of क्यों नहीं करते? Do away to dispose. He did away with the white elephant, the house which was the white elephant. मतलब उसने उसको बेच दिया. He did away. Finally he did away. मतलब लोग कह रहे थे उसको हटा दो, यूजलेस है, बेच दो उसको, कुछ तो पैसे आ जाएंगे, हटा दो. सो कहता था नहीं, बट फाइनली इट डॉन्ड अपॉन हिम. इट डॉन्ड अपॉन हिम का मतलब उसको ये विचार आया.
व्हाइट एलिफेंट मैम किस कंट्री का है?
ये कंट्री हर कंट्री का होता है, ये एक्सप्रेशन हर लोग यूज करते हैं. सो इट डॉन्ड अपॉन, सडनली कुछ ख्याल आया. डॉन का मतलब होता है मॉर्निंग, डॉन एंड डस्क. अगर एक्सप्रेशन यूज कर रहे हैं, इट डॉन्ड अपॉन हिम, उसको ये विचार आया. लिसन टू द स्टोरी. देयर वाज दिस हाउस which everybody said, do away with it. Why keep that white elephant? But one day, it dawned upon him. And finally, he did away with the house. Did away मतलब डू अवे, खत्म कर दो, इसको खत्म कर दो. लोग कहते थे उसको खत्म कर दो, और फाइनली एक दिन उसको ख्याल आया, एक दिन विचार आया. इट डॉन्ड अपॉन हिम टू सेल इट. सो ही डिड इट अवे. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
In
Ma'am,
conversation,
I have made a sentence.
yeah, please do. I'm getting
His grandfather, yes, ma'am. His grandfather's house is a white elephant, but still he don't want to sell it because it is the only memory of his grandfather.
Why don't you use, instead of selling, do away? He did not want to do it away. Do away with it. Instead of selling, do away. He did not want to.
He don't want to do away.
He did not want to do away with it. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So in conversations, a lot of things come up, crop up. Lot of things crop up. Lot of things come up. Come up.
Is it right, ma'am? This sentence.
Yes, please repeat again.
His grandfather's house is a white elephant, but still he don't want to do away with it because it is the only memory of his grandfather.
Still he doesn't want to. Still he doesn't want to do away with it.
Do away with it.
Yes.
Still he.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. After that, because it is the only memory of his grandfather.
Which was the
only memory of his grandfather.
Sentiments of his grandfather. Because of the sentiments of his grandfather, right?
Yes.
I think we need to close the session today, and I want you to stay back for your attendance.